नमस्ते दूसरे बच्चों, मैं सर डॉक्टर रामवीर सिंह मीना, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर संस्कृत एंड योगा, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। तो बच्चों, प्रीवियस स्लाइड में अपन ने डायरिया के बारे में पढ़ा था। उसके कौन कौन से पॉजिटिव एजेंट हैं, कौन कौन से उसके क्लिनिकल टाइप हैं और उसके प्रिवेंशन और उसके ट्रीटमेंट क्या क्या है। अपन नेक्स्ट पढ़ेंगे, उसी से मिलती जुलती डिसीज है कॉलेरा। So now we discuss. Focus on slide. इसके भी हमने 3 पार्टों में डिवाइड किया है, थोड़ा बड़ा होने की वजह से। तो फर्स्ट स्लाइड, कोलेरा पार्ट फर्स्ट। कोलेरा इज एन एक्यूट डायरियल डिसीज कॉज्ड बाय विब्रियो कोलेरी। डायरिया में पढ़ा था कि ये विब्रियो कोलेरी भी डायरिया का एक कारण है, जो बैक्टीरियल डिसीज है। तो विब्रियो कोलेरी कौन सा? 01 क्लासिकल और EI टॉप, ये एक ही टाइप है। एंड 0139 ये टाइप है विब्रियो कोलेरी के। Typical cases are characterized by the sudden onset of profuse, effortless, watery diarrhea followed by vomiting. इसका मेन सिम्टम क्या? वाटरी डायरिया। और सीजेला की वजह से कौन सा था? ब्लडी डायरिया। जब कोलेरा और सीजेला में अपना डिफरेंस किया था डायरिया के अंदर, याद हो थोड़ा सा। इसका मेन सिम्टम क्या? वाटरी डायरिया, वोमिटिंग। और इसमें वोमिटिंग नहीं थी। Rapid dehydration, muscular cramp, and suppression of urine. Unless there is rapid replacement of fluid and electrolytes, the case fatality may be as high as 30 to 40%. Epidemiological features: cholera is both an epidemic and endemic disease. The epidemicity and endemicity of a disease will depend on the characteristics of the agent and those of the system environment. It is well known that the elimination of contaminated water does not immediately bring an outbreak to an end, but a so-called tail of the epidemic is produced. This is due to the continuation of transmission through contact in areas where cholera is endemic. It does not show a stable endemicity like typhoid fever. Epidemiological determinants, पहला इसमें एजेंट फैक्टर। एजेंट क्या है? वही the organisms that cause the cholera is labeled as Vibrio cholerae O group first और Vibrio cholerae (01 and 0139). The term endemic epidemic strain has also been used for these vibrios. Cholera is now caused mostly by the EI or TOR biotype, and 0139 classical and EI TOR vibrios are further divided each into 3 serological types, namely Inava, Ogawa and Kozima. ये इसके 3 टाइप हैं, इसके क्लासिकल EI TOR के। ठीक है, जो फर्स्ट टाइप है उसके 3 भागों में बांटा गया है। कौन से सीरियल टाइप कौन से हैं इसके? इनावा, ओगावा और निकोजिमा। मोस्ट ऑफ द EI TOR vibrio isolated in India belong to ओगावा सीरोटाइप। इंडिया में मेनली कौन सा है? ओगावा सीरोटाइप। यहाँ में डीप क्वेश्चन है कोलेरा का, कभी कोई हाईली लेवल का जो कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम है उसमें पूछते हैं, तो वहां पूछा जाता है कि इंडिया में कौन सा टाइप है, इनावा, ओगावा, निकोजिमा में से ओगावा। रेजिस्टेंस किस किस के लिए, किस किस के प्रति है इसका? विब्रियो कोलेरी आर किल्ड विथिन 30 मिनट बाय हीटिंग एट 56 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड और विथिन ए फ्यू सेकंड बाय बॉइलिंग. दे रिमेन in ice for 4 to 6 weeks or longer. Drying and sunshine will kill them in a few hours. They are easily destroyed by oil or disinfect such as kerosene, kerosol, bleaching powder in another good disinfectant which kills vibrio instantly at 6 mg per liter. The ER TOR biotype tends to be more resistant than to classical vibrios. Toxin production: the vibrios multiply in the lumen of the small intestine and produce an enterotoxin enterotoxin. This toxin produce diarrhea through its effect on the adrenalite salicylic AMP system of mucosa cells of the small intestine. The exotoxin has no effect of any other tissue except the intestinal epithelial cells. Reservoir of infection. The human being is only known reservoir. Cholera case. He may be a case or carrier. Case में case range are impairment and infections to severe ones. About 75% of people infected with Vibrio cholerae do not develop any symptom, although the bacteria are present in their fecus for 7 to 14 days after infection and are shed back into the environment, potentially infecting other people. Among people who develop symptoms, about 20% develop acute watery diarrhea with severe dehydration. People with low immunity, example malnourished children and people living with HIV are at greater risk of death if infected. It is mild and symptomatic cases that play a significant role of maintaining endemic reservoir. Carriers, since carrier exhibit fewer vibrios and clinical cases, carrier are best detected by bacteriological examination of the preoperative stool induced by the administration of 30 to 60 gram of magnesium sulfate in 100 ml of water by mouth. Infective material. The immediate source of infection are the stool and vomit of cases and carriers. Large number of vibrios, about 107 to 109 vibrios per ml of fluid. The present in the watery stool of cholera patient and an average patient excrete 10 to 20 liter of fluid. Carrier excrete fewer vibrios than cases, 102 to 105 vibrios per gram of stool. Carrier in cholera. Cholera carrier may be defined as an partially healthy person who is the excreting Vibrio cholerae 01 in stool. 4 type of cholera carrier have been described. पहला इसमें preclinical और incubatory carrier. Since the incubation period of cholera is short, incubatory carriers in of short duration, the incubatory carriers are potential patient. दूसरा इसमें convalescent carrier. The patient who has recovered from the attack of cholera may continue to excrete vibrios during his convalescence for 2-3 weeks. Convalescent state has been found to occur in patients who have not received effective antibiotic treatment, and convalescent carrier can often become chronic or long-term carriers. Contact or healthy carrier. This is the result of subclinical infection contact through association with a source of infection, be it as a case of infected environment. The duration of contact carrier stay is usually less than 10 days. The gallbladder is not infected and the stool culture is frequently positive for Vibrio cholerae. 01 contact carrier probably play an important role in the spread of cholera. Last है chronic carrier. ये carrier के पता होना चाहिए तुम्हें कौन कौन से carrier हैं. Chronic carrier. A chronic carrier state occur infrequently. The longest carrier state was found to be over 10 years. Study indicate the gallbladder is infected in chronic carrier. Since carrier excrete fewer vibrios than cases, selective media and proper nourishment are important of for their diagnosis in carrier. The antibody tried against Vibrio cholerae 01 rises the remains positive as long as the person harbors the organism. The method may be used to detect long-term carriers along the bacteriological examination of the stool. Host factor. पहला इसमें age and sex. Cholera affected all ages and both sex in endemic area. Attack rate is highest in children. Gastric acidity. an affected barrier, the vibrio is destroyed in an acidity of pH 5 or lower. Condition that reduce the gastric acidity may influence individual susceptibility, population mobility, movement of population. Examples: pilgrims, marriages, fairs, and festival result in increased risk of exposure to infection. In this jet age, cases and carrier can easily transfer infection of other countries. And economic status, the incidence of cholera tends to be the highest in the lower socioeconomic groups, and this is attributed mainly to poor hygiene. Immunity, an attack of cholera is followed by immunity to reinfection but the duration and degree of immunity are not known. Experimental animal specific IgA antibody occur in the lumen of the intestine. Similar antibody is serum developed after the infection, but only last a few months. Vibrio antibodies in serum have been associated with protection against colonization and disease. The presence of antitoxin antibodies has not been associated with protection. Vaccination gives only temporary partial immunity for 3 to 6 months. Environmental factor: vibrio transmission is readily possible in the community with poor environmental sanitation. The environmental factor important include contaminated with food, water and food. Flies may carry vibrio cholerae but not vector of proven important numbers. Social factors have also been responsible for the endemicity of cholera in India. These compare certain human habits favoring water and soil pollution, low standard of personal hygiene, lack of education and poor quality of life. ये इसकी रेफरेंस बुक है. यहाँ से वही क्वेश्चन, राइट द पॉजिटिव एजेंट ऑफ कोलेरा. वो सिंपल है, विब्री कोलेरी. तो मेन टाइप कौन सा है इसका? 01 एंड 0139. और कोर वाला कौन सा है? 01. एक्सप्लेन द कैरियर्स ऑफ कोलेरा. 4 टाइप के जो कैरियर थे. ठीक है. तो वैसे ये क्वेश्चन आएंगे नहीं. ब्रीफ नॉलेज अगर आप पूरा पढ़ोगे तो थोड़ा बहुत आपको याद रह जाएगा. अब इसके सेकंड बचा कुचा पार्ट इसका सेकंड में पढ़ेंगे, फिर एक स्लाइड और है जो थर्ड पार्ट में बच्चे पढ़ेंगे. तो आज के लिए इतना काफी है. थैंक यू.